We'll simplify this complex rational expression using the division method. So the first step always is simplifying the numerator and simplifying the denominator by taking the LCD. So let's look at this. So 1 over 1 plus 1 over x plus 3, the whole divided by 1 over 1 plus 7 over x minus 3. So the LCD between LCD of 1 and x plus 3, the two denominators in the numerator, has to be x plus 3. So we're going to multiply the denominator with an x plus 3, and we'll multiply the numerator with an x plus 3. So that's going to give us x plus 3 over x plus 3, that's a 1. But we want to write it this way because we want the common denominator to be x plus 3. Now in the denominator, again you have a 1 and an x minus 3, and the common denominator for that would have to be x minus 3, which means we multiply with an x minus 3 in the denominator for the 1 and x minus 3 in the numerator. So x minus 3 over x minus 3 plus 7 over x minus 3. Now we have a common denominator and that is equal to common denominator of x plus 3 in the numerator and x plus 3 plus 1 in the numerator, the whole divided by x minus 3 plus 7, the whole over x minus 3. Now let's continue here. So that would be x plus 4 in the numerator over x plus 3 divided by x plus 4. Minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4 over x minus 3. So this is equal to x plus 4 over x minus 3 divided by x plus 4, I'm sorry, that should be an x plus 3. X plus 4 over x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 over x minus 3, and that's equal to x plus 4 over x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x plus 4. So we cancel the common factors of x plus 4, and our final answer is x minus 3 over x plus 3. Now we'll simplify the same expression using a different technique, and now this time we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the LCD of all the fractions or all the rational expressions. So what are all the denominators? We have one denominator which is x plus 3, and of course to the 1 we'll put it in the exponential form, and x minus 3 to the 1. So we have two factors. Pick the largest exponent of the first times the largest exponent of the second factor, and that is the LCD. So we multiply the numerator and denominator with the LCD. So this is the LCD. Now we distribute this, that times 1, so that is x plus 3 times x minus 3 plus 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 3, the whole thing over this multiplied by 1 is x plus 3 times x minus 3 plus 7 over x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now we cancel common factor. In the denominator, the x minus 3 gets cancelled, and we are left with x squared minus 9 plus x minus 3 in the numerator, x squared minus 9 plus 7 times x plus 3 in the denominator. When we simplify, we get x squared plus x minus 12 divided by x squared plus 7x plus 12. We distribute 7 times x is 7x, 7 times 3 is 21. And when we simplify the numerator and denominator, we get quadratic expressions in both. So now we need to factor the expressions x squared plus x minus 12. So 1 times 12, negative 12 is negative 12. So that is equal to 4 times negative 3. So that is 4x plus negative 3x. So let's write this down. So it's x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 plus negative 3 is positive 1, which is the coefficient of x. And that's how we get 4x minus 3x is x. Factor the x out and we get x plus 4. Factor the negative 3 out and we get x plus 4. Factor the x plus 4 and we get x minus 3, and this is a minus 3, times the common factor is x plus 4. So this is equal to x minus 3 times x plus 4, and the denominator is x squared plus 7x plus 12. 12 times 1 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 plus 3 is 7, so that works. So this is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12, and this is equal to x times x plus 4 plus 3 times x plus 4. Factor the x plus 4 out and we get x plus 4 times x plus 3. So x plus 4 times x plus 3. Cancel the common factor of x plus 4 and we get x minus 3 over x plus 3. That is the complex fraction when simplified completely. Now let's use the method of division for this problem. In the method of division, we simplify the numerator completely, simplify the denominator completely, which means we have to find the LCM of x plus 3 to the 1, that's one of the denominators, and the other denominator is x minus 3 to the 1. Pick the largest x plus 3 times pick the largest x minus 3. So x plus 3 times x minus 3 is the LCD. So what's missing here is an x minus 3, and what's missing here is an x plus 3. So we multiply the numerator and denominator with an x plus 3 in this case, and in the first part we go x minus 3 times 1, and then we multiply the numerator and denominator with the exact same factor. Now same thing with the denominator. We have an x plus 3 and x minus 3, so x plus 3 times x minus 3 is the common denominator, so we go x plus 3, and then of course we have x minus 3 because we want the product to be the common denominator, so the missing factor is x minus 3 in this case, and then multiply the numerator and denominator with an x plus 3. So let's rewrite this. So it's going to be x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 3 plus x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3, the whole over x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 3 minus x plus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. So next we write down x minus 3 plus x plus 3. The parentheses here will not make a difference. Divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3, the whole divided by x minus 3 minus x plus 3, the whole divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3. Remember, this is the division. So when I simplify the numerator, I get x minus 3 plus x plus 3. So the 3's cancel. Divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 minus x minus 3. Remember, the negative sign gets distributed. The whole divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3. So we simplify. X plus x is 2x divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3 times, we flip the fraction, x minus 3 times x plus 3, so this goes up. The x and the positive x and the negative x get cancelled, and negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 6. Now we cancel common factors. X minus 3 cancels with x minus 3, x plus 3 with x plus 3. So we have 2x over negative 6, which is equal to 2x over negative 3 times 2, which is 6. So we cancel again. And the final answer is x over 3, negative 3. So that's a negative x over 3.